Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Today, we're diving deep into the world of hacker laptops. We're talking about the machines that professionals and enthusiasts use to navigate the digital world, break down security barriers, and push the limits of what's possible. Now, when it comes to choosing the right tool for the job, the operating system is key. It's the foundation upon which everything else is built. So, we're throwing down the gauntlet, comparing Windows, Mac, and Linux to see which one reigns supreme in the hacking arena. Get ready to explore the pros, the cons, and everything in between. We'll break down the strengths and weaknesses of each OS, so you can make an informed decision about which one is right for you. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about Windows. It's a name that resonates with almost everyone, from casual users to seasoned professionals. Windows has been around for decades, evolving and adapting to the needs of its users. It's the most popular operating system on the planet, and for good reason. Its user-friendly interface and widespread compatibility make it a go-to choice for many. It's known for its massive software library, which includes a ton of tools specifically designed for hacking and penetration testing. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, you'll find something that suits your needs. We're talking about industry-standard software like Metasploit, Nmap, and Wireshark, all readily available on Windows. These tools are essential for anyone serious about cybersecurity. This wide range of tools makes it incredibly versatile for various hacking tasks, from network scanning to vulnerability analysis. You can perform a multitude of operations without needing to switch platforms. Plus, Windows has a massive online community. This community is a treasure trove of knowledge and support. That means if you ever run into a problem, you can bet someone out there has already encountered it and found a solution. The forums are filled with discussions, solutions, and advice from experienced users. Forums, tutorials, walkthroughs, you name it, it's out there. The wealth of information available can help you overcome almost any obstacle you might face. But it's not all sunshine and roses. Windows does have its drawbacks, particularly when it comes to security. Windows has a reputation for being less secure than other operating systems. This is partly because it's so widely used, making it a bigger target for cyber attacks. It's a big target for malware, and its default security settings aren't exactly Fort Knox. Users often need to take extra steps to secure their systems. Now, you can definitely beef up Windows security with third-party antivirus software, and by tweaking those settings, but it's an extra step you have to consider. It's crucial to stay vigilant and proactive about your system's security. On the customization front, Windows offers a good amount of flexibility. You can personalize your experience to a great extent. You can tweak the registry, install custom themes, and really make it your own. This level of customization allows you to tailor the operating system to your specific needs and preferences. However, compared to Linux, it's still a bit limited. Linux offers even more customization options and is often preferred by hardcore tech enthusiasts. Overall, Windows is like that reliable workhorse. It gets the job done, even if it requires a bit more maintenance and attention to security. It's a solid choice for anyone looking to dive into the world of hacking and cybersecurity, offering a balance of usability, tool availability, and community support. Next up, we have the Mac. Apple's sleek and stylish operating system. Known for its elegant design and seamless integration with other Apple products, the Mac has carved out a niche for itself among creative professionals and tech enthusiasts alike. But beyond its good looks, how does it fare in terms of security and functionality, especially in the realm of hacking? Macs are known for their premium build quality, smooth user experience, and that undeniable Apple ecosystem integration. The hardware is meticulously crafted, and the software is optimized to run efficiently on it. This synergy between hardware and software is one of the reasons why many users swear by their Macs. But how do they hold up in the world of hacking? This is a crucial question for anyone considering a Mac for cybersecurity purposes. The Unix-based core of macOS provides a solid foundation for security, making it inherently more resistant to certain types of malware and attacks compared to other operating systems. Well, macOS is built upon a Unix-based core, which gives it some inherent security advantages. This architecture is known for its stability and security features, which are further enhanced by Apple's own security measures. For instance, macOS includes Gatekeeper, which helps ensure that only trusted software runs on your Mac, and Xprotect, which provides built-in malware detection. It's generally considered more resistant to malware than Windows, and its built-in security features are pretty robust. However, no system is completely immune to threats. Regular updates and patches are essential to maintaining security, and Apple is quite diligent in this regard, frequently releasing updates to address vulnerabilities. Plus, Macs rock that beautiful Retina display, which is a dream for staring at lines of code for hours on end. The high-resolution screen makes it easier to read and write code, reducing eye strain and improving overall productivity. This is a significant advantage for developers and hackers who spend long hours in front of their screens. And let's not forget about the smooth trackpad, perfect for navigating through complex interfaces. The precision and responsiveness of the MacBook trackpad are unmatched, making it easier to perform intricate tasks without the need for an external mouse. However, when it comes to hacking specific software, Macs fall a bit short compared to Windows and Linux. The selection of tools available for macOS is more limited, which can be a significant drawback for those who rely on specialized software for their work. While you can find some tools, the selection is more limited. Many popular hacking tools are developed primarily for Windows and Linux, which means Mac users might have to jump through additional hoops to get the same functionality. This can be a deal breaker for some, especially those who need a wide range of tools at their disposal. Another thing to consider is the price tag. Macs are definitely an investment, and that premium price doesn't always translate to a direct advantage in the hacking world. The cost of a MacBook can be significantly higher than a comparable Windows or Linux machine, which might offer better performance for the same price. Macs are definitely an investment, and that premium price doesn't always translate to a direct advantage in the hacking world. While the build quality and user experience are top-notch, the higher cost can be a barrier for some users, especially those who are just starting out in the field of cybersecurity. Customization is another area where Macs are a bit restricted. Apple likes to keep things locked down, so you don't have the same level of freedom to tinker under the hood as you do with Windows or Linux. This can be frustrating for advanced users who want to modify their system to better suit their needs. Apple likes to keep things locked down, so you don't have the same level of freedom to tinker under the hood as you do with Windows or Linux. This can be frustrating for advanced users who want to modify their system to better suit their needs. The closed ecosystem can feel restrictive, especially for those who are used to the flexibility of other operating systems. So, while Macs offer a secure and aesthetically pleasing platform, their limited software selection and higher price point might make some hackers think twice. Ultimately, the choice of whether to use a Mac for hacking comes down to personal preference and specific needs. If you value design, user experience, and security, a Mac might be the right choice for you. But if you need a wide range of hacking tools and the ability to customize your system, you might want to consider other options. Finally, we arrive at Linux, the open-source darling of the tech world and a favorite among hackers. This operating system is not just a tool, it's a playground for those who love to tinker and explore the depths of technology. Unlike other operating systems that come with a lot of restrictions, Linux offers a level of freedom that is unparalleled. It's a platform where creativity and technical prowess can truly shine. Linux is all about flexibility, security, and control. It's designed to be molded and shaped according to the user's needs. Whether you're a developer, a system administrator, or a hacker, Linux provides the tools and the environment to get the job done efficiently. The flexibility of Linux allows users to choose from a variety of distributions, each tailored for different use cases, making it a versatile choice for any tech enthusiast. It's like the Wild West of operating systems, where you can customize and tweak to your heart's content. You can change the look and feel of your desktop environment, install only the software you need, and even modify the kernel itself. This level of customization is what makes Linux so appealing to those who want complete control over their computing experience. One of the biggest draws of Linux is its open-source nature. This means that the source code is freely available for anyone to inspect, modify, and distribute. This transparency fosters a community of collaboration and innovation, where users can contribute to the development of the operating system and share their improvements with others. It's a collective effort that benefits everyone involved. That means the source code is freely available for anyone to inspect, modify, and distribute. This openness is a cornerstone of the Linux philosophy, promoting a culture of sharing and continuous improvement. It allows users to learn from each other, build on each other's work, and create something greater than the sum of its parts. This transparency is a huge plus for security-conscious users, as it allows for greater scrutiny and community-driven patching of vulnerabilities. When the source code is open, anyone can audit it for security flaws and contribute fixes. This collective vigilance makes Linux a robust and secure platform, trusted by many for its reliability and resilience against threats. Speaking of security, Linux is often lauded for its robust security features and its reputation for being less susceptible to malware than Windows. The architecture of Linux, with its strong user permissions and modular design, makes it inherently more secure. Additionally, the active community constantly monitors and addresses potential vulnerabilities, ensuring that Linux remains a safe choice for users who prioritize security. Plus, its command line interface gives you granular control over every aspect of the system. For those who are comfortable with the command line, Linux offers a powerful and efficient way to manage and automate tasks. The command line tools available on Linux are incredibly versatile, allowing users to perform complex operations with just a few keystrokes. And let's not forget the sheer variety of Linux distributions available, from lightweight distros designed for older hardware to feature-rich environments for modern systems. There's a Linux distribution for every need. This diversity allows users to choose a distro that best fits their requirements and preferences, making Linux a highly adaptable platform. From Kali Linux, specifically designed for penetration testing, to other specialized distributions, Linux caters to a wide range of professional and personal use cases. Kali Linux, for instance, comes pre-installed with a suite of tools for security testing, making it a go-to choice for ethical hackers and cybersecurity professionals. To Parrot OS, another security-focused distro, which offers a similar set of tools but with a different approach and user experience. Parrot OS is known for its lightweight design and user-friendly interface, making it accessible to both beginners and experienced users alike. There's a flavor of Linux for every hacking need. Whether you're into network security, software development, or system administration, you'll find a distribution that suits your specific requirements. This variety ensures that Linux remains a versatile and powerful tool for a wide range of applications. This flexibility extends to customization. You can tweak the kernel, install different desktop environments, and really mold Linux into the perfect hacking machine. The ability to customize every aspect of the operating system allows users to create a setup that is tailored to their workflow and preferences. You can tweak the kernel, install different desktop environments, and even change the window manager to suit your needs. This level of customization is not possible with most other operating systems, making Linux a unique and powerful choice for those who want complete control over their computing environment and really mold Linux into the perfect hacking machine. The possibilities are endless, and the only limit is your imagination. With the right tools and knowledge, you can transform Linux into a powerful platform for any task you can think of. However, that flexibility comes with a learning curve. Linux can be complex and intimidating for those who are new to it. The vast array of options and configurations can be overwhelming, and it takes time and effort to learn how to use the system effectively. Linux can be intimidating for beginners, especially those accustomed to the user-friendly interfaces of Windows and macOS. The command line interface, while powerful, can be daunting for those who are not familiar with it. However, with patience and practice, anyone can learn to navigate and master Linux, especially those accustomed to the user-friendly interfaces of Windows and macOS. Transitioning to Linux requires a willingness to learn and adapt to a new way of doing things, but for those who are up for the challenge, the rewards are well worth the effort. But hey, for many hackers, that challenge is part of the appeal. The process of learning and mastering Linux is a journey that many find rewarding and fulfilling. It's an opportunity to deepen your understanding of how computers work and to develop skills that are highly valued in the tech industry. Mastering the command line and diving deep into the system is all part of the fun. The command line is a powerful tool that allows you to perform tasks quickly and efficiently. Once you become proficient with it, you'll find that you can accomplish things that would be difficult or impossible with a graphical interface. So, if you're willing to roll up your sleeves and get your hands dirty, Linux offers unparalleled power, flexibility, and a thriving community of like-minded individuals. The Linux community is known for being welcoming and supportive, with countless resources available to help you learn and grow. Linux offers unparalleled power, flexibility, and a thriving community of like-minded individuals. Whether you're a seasoned hacker or a curious beginner, Linux has something to offer. It's a platform that encourages exploration, innovation, and collaboration, making it the perfect playground for anyone passionate about technology. So, there you have it. Windows, Mac, and Linux, each with its own strengths and weaknesses in the hacking arena. Which one comes out on top? Well, as with most things in tech, it depends. If you value a vast software library and ease of use, Windows might be your go-to. If security and a sleek user experience are priorities, Mac could be a good fit. And if you crave ultimate control, flexibility, and don't mind a challenge, Linux might be your digital playground. Ultimately, the best OS for hacking is the one that aligns best with your specific needs, preferences, and hacking style. Let us know in the comments which one you prefer and why. And hey, while you're down there, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech deep dives.